Aviation insurance policies can be confusing, but they do not have to be once you understand the basics. Aviation Insurance Resources is an aircraft insurance broker where everyone you talk to is a pilot. We shop all the major aviation insurance markets to provide you with the best available rates. In this video, we will discuss the liability section of your policy. But what is liability coverage? Liability coverage is third-party protection if or when a suit is brought against you for bodily injury or property damage. Whether or not you are at fault, it can provide a legal defense. Imagine the liability section of your insurance policy as a pie, with each coverage item as a slice of that pie. For this example, we will use a standard policy limit for a single-engine piston aircraft, $1 million. This is the total amount available in the policy for bodily injury and property damage. One limit within this pie is your passenger sublimit. In our example, the limit is $100,000 per passenger. This is the maximum amount each passenger may receive from your total pie for their injuries. Some policies, depending on the aircraft and pilot qualifications, have a higher per passenger sublimit or no limit. The balance of your pie after passenger liability is available for individuals injured outside the aircraft and any property damage. While not a liability coverage, it is worthwhile to mention the medical payments of your policy in this discussion. Much like an auto insurance policy, the medical coverage on an aircraft insurance policy is a coverage paid to anyone injured, including the insured, regardless of legal liability. Medical payments are no-fault payments and are their own separate little pie. This amount is generally used for emergency medical attention. The medical payments in this example are $5,000 each person and $20,000 maximum each occurrence. There always must be a disclaimer, doesn't there? This video is a broad description of aircraft liability for educational purposes only. Please contact your aviation insurance agent to discuss your liability needs. Don't have an agent? Call Aviation Insurance Resources today at 301-682-6200. That's 301-682-6200. Aviation Insurance Resources. Pilots protecting pilots.